the lecture I am going to find the value of x. The given equation 4 power x plus 6 power x equal to 9 power x. So we can solve this equation by two ways. First way, I am going to divide with 9 power x. So let's see the answer. So writing the given first, 4 power x, 6 power x, 9 power x. So let's divide with 9 power x. So 4 power x, here writing 9 power x. This here 6 power x, 9 power x. This here 9 power x, 9 power x. So this cancel by one time. Now both has the power x, so we can write 4 by 9 power x. This here 6 by 9 power x. Now equal to 1. After that, so here it cancelled 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9. And this here 2a square. And here 2 square 4, 3 square 9. So 2 by 3 whole a square. This is x here. Thereafter we can write 2 by 3 x and 1. Now thereafter let assume. So assuming 2 by 3 power x equal to k. After that here we can write this 2 by 3 power x equal to k. So this here power 2 is there, so k square, this k, and this one moving on the left, so it changed to minus. Now use here quadratic equation formula, so we can easily identify a equal to 1. So a 1, b also 1, and c equal to minus 1. Use the formula. So k equal to minus b plus minus b square root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus b, that means minus 1 plus minus root under b square. B square 1 minus 4 into a into c value is now minus 1 divided by 2 into a 1. So k equal to minus 1. This here 1 and minus plus minus minus plus, and here 4 into 1 4. This here 2 into 1 2. Or we can write minus 1 plus minus 4 plus 1 5 divided by 2. So here we can write k equal to, so thereafter we can write k, that I assume 2 by 3x. Okay, so k that I assume 2 by 3x. Now thereafter we can write 2 by 3 power x equal to minus 1 plus minus root 5 divided by 2. So one side going to take the positive, one side going to take the negatives. So 2 by 3 power x minus 1 plus minus, so keep one side positive, divide by 2. And this side 2 by 3 power x minus 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. So here 2 by 3 power x, to remove the power x we need to take the log. So we can write log 2 by 3 power x. This here log minus 1 root 5 divided by 2. Now this x move on the front, so we can write x log 2 by 3. This we can write log, positive writing first, negative next, here 2. Or here x equal to, we can write log root 5 minus 1 divided by 2, and here log 2 by 3. So if you use the calculator, then you can get the value x equal to 1.1868, thereafter 1439 up to so on. so it will continue till infinity. So now we can write 1 power 1.18 this here recurring. So this is the answer when you take the positive. Now if you want to get the negative number, so here, so to calculate the negative you can also do that. So take the log, so here we can write directly log 2 by 3, this here log minus 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. Now x equal to, we can write log minus 1 minus root 5 divided by 2, and one more divide, log 2 by 3. So x, if you use the calculator, then you can get here. So this value is now that come minus, and here 1.18681439 dash dash, thereafter minus for imaginary number we should write here 7.7481 till. So in last you should write here I. If you don't want to include till, so write I. So this is the answer when you take the negative. So when x negative, you can get this one, and when x is the positive, x is the real. So when x greater than 0 or x is the real, then you should take this one. So you can say the answer x equal to 1.8. Write the answer x equal to 1.8. Now this time I divide here with 9 power x. So let's see another way. So this time going to divide with 4 power x. So writing here 4 power x divided by 4 power x. This here 6 power x divided by 4 power x. Now 9 power x divided by 4 power x. So this cancel by one time. Now 1 plus this here 6 by 4 power x, this here 9 by 4 power x. So thereafter here it cancel by 2 into 3 6, 2 into 2 4, and this here 3 square by 2 square. So that is 1 plus 3 by 2 power x, this here 3 by 2 power x, and here 2. So 3 square by 2 square, that is 9. Now let assume k equal to 3 by 2 power x. After that here we can write 1 plus this here k, and this here I assume this one k. So k has the power 2, so writing k square, or we can write k square equal to minus k minus 1 equal to 0. Now let's calculate the value of k. So here a equal to 1, coefficient of k square, that is 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 1. Now use the formula k equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus 1 minus minus plus, so this become 1 plus 1 plus minus root b square. So b square minus 1 square, 4 into a into minus 1 divided by 2 into 1. So here we can write k equal to 1 plus minus 1 square minus 1 square 1, this minus minus plus 4 divided by 2, or we can write 1 plus minus root 5 divided by 2. So here k that I assume k equal to 2 by 3x, sorry 3 by 2x. So writing here 3 by 2x, one time positive 1 plus root 5 by 2, and here 3 by 2 x 1 minus root 5 by 2. Now to remove the power, so we can take here x log 3 by 2 and this here log 1 plus root 5 by 2, or here x equal to we can write log 1 plus root 5 by 2 and here log 3 by 2. So if you use calculator, the value you can get 1.18681 up to infinity, or we can write x equal to 1.18. so this is the answer you should write. So when here x greater than 0, x real, and this x less than 0, so if you want to calculate the imaginary value, so you can also do that. Take the log, and here x, when x less than 0, then you can get this imaginary value, that one. So I'm not going to calculate imaginary value. X greater than 1, use the calculator, then you can get this one. So you should tell the answer x equal to 1.1 racking on the 18. So there I did the mistake, x equal to 1 racking on 18, not 1. So this is the answer. So this is the way we can solve this equation. Suppose if I divide with 6 power x, so for 6 power x, and here 6 power x, 6 power x, 9, 6 power x, so this cancel. Here 4 by 6 power x, and this here you can get 1, here 9, 6 power x. So here 2, this is here 3, here 3 is squared 2, so you 2 by 3 x plus 1 here equal to 3 by 2 2x. So 2 by 3 3 by 2, it's we cannot assume anything, then you can take the minus, then you can do that. So it's complicated, so you should use these two ways to get the answer. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over, so thanks for watching, see you next week. Thank you.